can't see y'all. I gotta fix my eyeballs, my vision enhancers. Oh no, I don't even know how to fix glasses, and they broke from the plastic. It's not broke from the screws still in there. These my eyeballs. These my Foster Grants. I gotta see. So I'm finna go in with some hot glue and see what's up. Should try some E6000, huh? I don't know, man. I'm about to try it. I don't know. Can't see nothing. Am I doing it right, y'all? Can't see. Now ain't no glue coming out. I got one disaster after another. Gotta fix my wig, my eyeballs. Oops, I don't want to overdo it. Hold on. Gotta work fast with this hot glue. Lord have mercy. What if I had to put the arm on backwards? Y'all ain't even trying to help me. Y'all supposed to be trying to help me. Y'all supposed to guide me through the situation. Dang. Hell no. It look crooked though. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I guess I should put some more glue on here, y'all. Yeah, this sucker's not in good shape. I'll put a little bit more glue on there. I got some stuff I'm trying to do around here. I need to be able to put it together, boo. I'm just gonna like weld it down in there. See what happens. Well, as soon as I put these suckers on, the iron gonna fall off. I know the story. Say my first rodeo with some glasses getting broke. Usually I just throw them away. But I can't. I have to wear these today. There's a bunch of glue on there. Hey, what y'all think? Uh-oh. I might overdid the glue. I got glue everywhere. I'm just gonna let it kind of just stay sitting for a minute. And then come back and see if I could put these junks on. These suckers is looking lopsided. I don't know if this gonna work. I might be able to pull it off. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Peace. Welcome to 755 Media Splatter Chatter. Let's do some art.